What if getting a flawless golden tan didn't require stepping into the sun, using messy creams, or risking UV damage? Just a few drops stirred into your favorite drink. That's the bold promise behind Avaya Glow Tanning Drops, a product that's exploded online, especially across TikTok and Instagram, claiming to deliver a natural radiant glow from the inside out. Sounds like magic, right? But here's where things start to unravel. When I looked beyond the aesthetic marketing and viral hype, I noticed some serious red flags that are hard to ignore. First off, the official website gives off a shady vibe. There's absolutely no information about who created this product, where it's manufactured, or what kind of credentials the makers have. There's no founder story, no company background, and no way to verify who's actually behind this brand. Even worse, there's no privacy policy, no terms of service, and no legal documentation to protect consumers or hold the company accountable. That's not just unusual, that's risky. Digging deeper, I couldn't find any scientific studies, clinical trials, or expert endorsements to support the tanning claims. There's no breakdown of how or why these drops should trigger melanin production or safely tan your skin from the inside. The ingredients list is vague at best, and there's no real explanation of how the formula is supposed to work. Then there's the sketchy review section, only 37 5-star reviews, most with oddly similar wording and generic names. Some of the user photos attached to the reviews looked heavily filtered, reused, or possibly AI-generated. Add to that a fake-looking business address and broken or misleading social media links, and you start to wonder if this is more smoke and mirrors than skincare revolution. I'm not here to scream scam without proof, but I can't endorse it either. There's just not enough transparency, science, or credibility to back up the bold promises. So before you jump on the trend, I'd recommend approaching with serious caution. If something sounds too good to be true, it usually is, and in this case, Avaya Glow might be glowing a little too hard without much substance underneath.